Hi, my name is Sam. Let's learn together. Hey there, my awesome subscribers. Back again. It's your favorite blogger, Sam. So today, I'll show you how my day usually goes. Like the video, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a new episode, my friend. I start my day at 7 a.m. I wake up and take a shower. After that, I brush my teeth. Spa day for me. My fur's getting brushed. I have breakfast. Fried sausages. Next, I get dressed and go to school. I study at school. I eat lunch so I have enough energy for after school. I finish school and hurry home. I come home and do my homework. Then I go for a walk and play outside. I cook a delicious dinner and take my time enjoying it. Time to relax, my favorite part of the day. I enjoy watching TV and playing video games. I listen to music. And when I'm completely drained, I go to bed and fall asleep.
Sam, but you're a dog and you don't go to school. Tell your followers the truth. How do you actually spend your day?
Am I a dog? Of course! I'm a dog after all, and my day goes better than humans. In the morning, I do nothing. In the afternoon, I finish what I started in the morning. And in the evening, I rest. And how's your day going? See you in the next episode. If you liked the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's learn together.